Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. So I wanted to give you guys a quick little update, and we haven't posted any content in about 24 hours, and normally we hit you with some videos every 24 hours. But hubby is going back to therapy, he's going back to work, so we were packing up our stuff and getting ready to hit the road because we're gonna go back to Texas. He's going to be doing another 13-week contract, and then we're going to take a little break and come visit the kids and stuff and enjoy our place. But a lot of things have been happening on social media recently, and just a whole bag of mix up, a whole bag of drama, and I wanted to address some of it. Cause I'm sure hubby not gonna answer certain people, but me and woman, I like the mix up, and I can speak for him and for us. So we're gonna get into it. We have 4 topics, and I'm gonna try spend about 3 minutes on each topic. The first topic we're gonna be talking about is Amari and my husband. So Amari made video the other day talking about SouFloTv and Rapper Crapper and how they're always putting down Jamaica, and my husband need to stop talk about our good up island. Quite frankly, Amari, you seem like a schizophrenic, bipolar, illiterate woman that is always on social media that needs to be on medication. So when you're talking to my husband, whether you are Dr. Love or anybody else with their mix-up platform, you have to come to him and come to him correctly. Okay? You have to match up to my husband. Okay? Because you know talk to dunce. You know mix up with dunce. You're cussing my husband, and every story that my husband ran or talks about on his channel comes from credible news articles, whether it be Jamaica, Gleaner, The Loop, Observer, Star, CNN, ABC, and you're talking about how other things are happening in America. He talks about stuff that happens in America all the time, especially when it comes on to immigration, and especially when it comes on to Jamaicans living in the US. But you seem to forget that part. You always skip over that part when you guys want to talk BS about my husband. That's neither here nor there. Then you're going to talk about my husband have woman issues. My husband has never had woman issues, ever. When my husband made that prank video, I was sitting in our bedroom, pregnant as hell, eating some fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and mac and cheese, living my best life. And when he posted that video, he told me not to say anything. We were good. And if we're not good, y'all will be the last to ever know. So, Amari, take a chill pill. Or go take some schizophrenic bipolar medication. Yeah, act like if he don't stop talking about Jamaica, you're gonna come and beat him. Slide into my DMs real quick, please. We'll give you our address. Cause I saw. But that's neither here nor there. Amari, well, alright. Amari is looking for a stunt. The only time Amari knows she's Jamaican is when she want people for sorry for her and give her liquor money on Facebook or PR or something. That's the only time she remembers she's Jamaican. When she's cussing out Jamaican people, she'll always tell them that she's a citizen and she'll get the US government to do this and to do that to them. But you didn't remember you were Jamaican then. When all the vloggers came together recently and donated their money and asked their fans to donate their money for a good cause, where were you, Amari? Where were you? What money have you ever donated to Jamaica? All the merchandise that's on hubby's channel right now, $1 from every purchase, I can't even talk, purchase, will go to a organization of our choice in Jamaica. So Amari, what are you doing to better Jamaica? We give, and we give all the time. We just don't speak about it. We don't have to speak about it either. We don't have clout. We don't have to chase clout and talk about everything we do. That's not who we are. We bring awareness, yes, to issues, but that's about it. But me know my husband not going to address you. Neither is he going to address Dr. Love. So whatever. You can do what, pull whatever stunt you want. I guess Gully Bop name now work anymore. Gully Bop now pulling no crowd, now pulling no likes, now pulling no views. So I guess my husband is next. Whatever. Who cares? Then the next topic we're gonna be talking about is how Marlon Samuels exposed King Mix-Up. And as you guys know, King Mix-Up is a person here on YouTube that always do YouTube videos with the screen blank. One thing I realized with a lot of these YouTubers that do that or hide behind a wall or hide behind a screen, they always post a lot of crap on their channels with things that don't have anything to do with anything, clickbait titles, and people always watch them, or mix up videos with people that cuss them one another and all of that, and they disrespect people in the most different types of way, and they get away with it because they don't have any face. But me like how people that on YouTube that does YouTube videos are getting exposed, especially the ones that don't show their face, because quite honestly, you can do a lot of stuff on YouTube and get away with it just because you're hiding behind one black screen. And the whole thing with Marlon Samuels, like, these men seem to be all up in their feelings nowadays. When it's not killing woman, it's them cussing other man and hating on other men. Like, it's like them dep on them period, like too much estrogen in the food that them eat, or then they mess up them water Jamaica. I don't know what it is, but they're always in their feelings. Like Marlon did shout out some of them and them all in them feelings about it, with the song that he put out with Internet Talk. Like, honestly, truly, why are y'all panties in a bunch? Really? Because you didn't get shout out because you do a review? Really? Look how much people do review and never get shout out yet. Take the panties out the coochie crack and let it just sit right, because it don't look good for other man on social media cussing an next man because he didn't shout you out. Like, how thirsty can you be? Like, it's not that deep, it's not that serious. Everybody on YouTube can get a piece of the pie. The internet is big enough for everybody. You don't have to put on anybody to make yourself look better or brighter. It's not that deep. The next thing we're going to be talking about is Andrew Holness. So, if you've been keeping up with social media, especially Instagram, Andrew Holness official. When I say official, I mean official Instagram with the tick bunny and we say Prime Minister of Jamaica and all of that. With him family and him wife and everything. Liked his Instagram page, liked a picture with a thotty. Thought. I'm not gonna say the girl's a thought, but the picture that she had up was kind of thotty. It was her in a swimsuit, and Andrew Holness page like it. Me there, I pop up. I literally died when I saw it. Mr. Prime Minister, are you a bit thirsty, honey? And then he claimed that it was somebody that was managing his account. Me laughed till me nearly was dead. Okay. Mr. Holness, probably you managing that account and you see one nice girl and her skin clean and she pretty and you just hit that that heart, tap that pum because it look fat in that swimsuit, tap, hit that heart. But a lot of these women, when them get married and claim more Christian, and they forget that men have needs. Like, men, Andrew buy this big house with pool in it and all these things. Your wife probably not even wear bathing suit. She probably got bed in a chastity belt. Okay? So the man is out here on Instagram lurking and thirsting. That's why you gotta be careful, men. What you do on social media. Don't send no man no heart. Do not like anybody's picture because you don't know if they're a man or if they're a woman. And some of the time can be both, can be either. But that's like the weekend roundup of what has been happening on social media. The next thing I want to wrap this video up with a more positive, like kind of positive, but not really. A 5.9 magnitude earthquake hit Haiti with about 10 people dead. So keep Haiti and Haitian people in your prayers. Me feel like Haiti cannot get a break. Honestly, truly. Like, them cannot get a break. There's always something going on in Haiti. Keep our brothers and sisters in your prayers, because if you guys didn't know, we are Haiti. We are brothers and sisters, contrary to popular belief. So that's like my weekly roundup of today's video. Don't take anything me said too seriously in another video here, because everything is fun and games, and we don't take anything personal. Neither should you. This is the internet. People are entitled to their opinions, but they're not entitled to facts. So I'm gonna end this video by saying, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.